Hello, Mithu. Today we are making a cake for Mithu. We decided what to make, so we plan the base should be the apple. Otherwise, cake piece is not good for Mithu. So we decided to make a base from the apple. So let's plan how to make it. I'll try to make a square piece. Don't want to cut. Mommy to love this part. Make a straight so that it stand up. Right? Is this good or not? Not a square one, but a rectangular cake for my Mithu. And I want to add something to make it yummy. Give me. Sorry. I'm going to add this. Yes. Some sunflower seeds. No.
You should make a flower.
Flower?
This apple has tentacles?
This apple has ouch.
Sunflower arms.
So, oh.
Destroyed everything.
How it looks?
Nice. Dangerous.
Dangerous, no?
Yes.
Beautiful.
This is how it looks.
Nani, make it some beautiful.
What is this?
I don't know. Leave it.
It's a meteoroid that fell from the sky.
She don't want to eat some flavorful seeds. She only eat the fresh one. Throw it away. She's so what do you say? Nakhre wali. Huh?
Curious.
Nakhre wali. What we call it in English?
Curious?
No, not curious. Attitude, huh? She had so much attitude. Ouch!
So, when we finish it, then we will show you how it will be.
She has
like
attitude.
this.
She had not attitude.
So, let us finish, then we will show you
0
guys.
marks.
Try to
So guys,
change her. Doesn't look good in the picture, but actually it's so good. I think so.
it's so small.
Yes, it's so small, but it is
What it is?
healthy,
No.
yummy
No.
for
No.
Mithu,
No.
and she loves.
No.
No.
Certainly.
No.
No.
Why are you saying this? No. Thinks that's enough? Huh?
No.
Yes, it's enough.
No.
How fat?
Peanut.
She loves peanut too,
कहाँ से हमें पीरियड?
but
फरवल दुकान होती है ना
From
यार
peanut.
here Nimco.
She only eat the fresh one, okay?
Oh. Oh.
Oh God! God, Mashood, what have you done? Mashood! You know.
Well done,
It
Mithu.
was
Well
by
done.
mistake.
Holding a hanger and
Ruined everything.
okay.
So guys, sprinkle some of the.
So guys, we made it again.
So guys, let's sprinkle some of these.
And we are eating this.
What can we say this?
Sprinkle this mixed food. Oh, colorful things we add, huh?
While he's
What is
saying
this?
this food.
I don't know.
Oh, it's a lentil,
Red.
red lentil. Make it decorate.
Sprinkle.
These are the sprinkles.
The apple is
Hello.
soaked.
Hello.
The apple is soaked. She will not eat the apple because
Okay,
it is soaked.
and we made some gifts for Mithu as well.
Hi.
Let me open this. These are the gifts, and the wrapping sheet is so pretty.
Wow, beautiful color, the bright color that Mithu will love.
Let's make her her crown.
Oh yes, we forgot to make the crown. Now we have to make that crown and try to wear it on the head. So wait for the
this balloon.
next part. Wait for the next part. No, show. Oh, don't. Wait for the next part. Then when
See
we
her reaction.
for her reaction and the cake we present to her.
It will take 2 vlogs.